portion here will become your medial part.
Okay, so for the suprascapular artery and nerve, I think yung important dito is to know the relationship between with the superior transverse scapular ligament. So ito yung suprascapular artery and nerve. So yung yellow is yung nerve and then yung red is yung artery. And then ito naman yung superior transverse scapular ligament. So ito siya. So yung way of remembering this, I made this parang memory technique. Hopefully it helps also for you. As in or as in. So yung artery, it passes superiorly to the superior transverse scapular ligament. So makikita niyo yung red nasa superior siya or sa taas siya ng ligament. And then yung nerve naman, yung suprascapular nerve, it passes inferiorly. Ayan yung ligament. Ito. Yung superior transverse scapular ligament. And then superiorly, yung suprascapular artery. And yung inferiorly nga, yung suprascapular nerve. My class just ended. We had anatomy Lecon lab. So during lecture yung nagdi-discuss. And then for lab naman, students would discuss the structures to be identified. So yung ginawa kasi ng group namin, we have subgroups. So some people are assigned per day to discuss the lab topics, and our group was assigned for today. So yun lang yung ginawa ko kanina. I helped discuss what we had to identify for lab exams. So yeah, I only have one class today, which is anatomy, like I said, and I also have another presentation, group presentation tomorrow for EPI.
provide comfort, and that the patient or the individual usually dies at home, and death is always seen as a welcome relief.
My highlighter is popping. We're wearing the pretty basic chart palette. Also, my desktop computer is in.
and identify to the original specific causative agent with possibility of genetic mutations or variations.
As you can see, this is a reversible reaction. What happens is that the glutamate dehydrogenase removes the amino group from the carbon skeleton of blue in the liver. Our group is the carbon free. Okay, so just a review of your basic amino acid structure.
That nothing is happening. I was just waiting and wondering if, if it will ever happen to me. I love talking about mental health because it creates this awareness that it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to
I just got some chips and I'm still trying to finish the chats that I was working on a while ago because I need to add some extra info, and if you can hear that, they're still watching the movie. They're watching Aquaman.